Okay, hi, welcome. Here is your math lesson for today. We are focusing on lesson 10.8 in math. Write and solve word problems. Yesterday we were focusing more on, or on Monday, or on Friday, sorry. We were focusing more on solving multi-step word problems. Today we're writing multi-step word problems. So let's see the problem that they give us today. Let's read it. It says, Allison had 25 cat stickers and 39 dog stickers. How many stickers does she have in all? Repeat the following problem. Hero had 72. Okay, so let's do it twice. Allison had 25 cat stickers and 39 dog stickers. So she had 25 cat stickers. And means add. She had 25 cat stickers. And how many dog stickers? 39 dog stickers. The question is, how many stickers does she have in all? Okay. So what are we going to do to solve this problem? Elevator, escalator, very simple addition. 25 plus 39. I'll give you a minute to solve that. Okay, 5 plus 9 is 4, and the 1 goes up. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. 64. All right, let's read the second one. Hero has 72 blocks. 42 of the blocks are blue, and the rest are red. How many blocks are red? Oh, actually. So he has blue blocks and red blocks. 72 blocks in all. 42 of the blocks are blue. Take away 42. And I'm going to write B underneath it for blue. And our question is, how many are red? I'm going to write R here for red. We don't know yet. We know the 72 in all. I'm going to write in all underneath it. Take away the blue blocks equals how many red blocks. So now we're going to solve that problem. 72 take away 42. That's why you have to read the problem carefully. You cannot just assume that you are adding on all of them. You have to read the problem carefully. 72 take away 42 is
1.
Very simple. What? Is 1?
10.
30. You're subtracting. 2 take away 2 is 0. And 7 take away 4 is 3. So what's your answer? 30 blocks. Pretty simple. Okay, let's move on. Write a story problem that this number sentence could be used to solve. So we had 251 plus the unknown add-in equals 456. So Anna has blank coins. How many coins does she have in all? What is the total? It tells you here. What is the total? 456 is the total. So how many coins does Anna have? 456. You're going to write that here. Her sister gives her some more coins. Do we know how many? No. How many coins did her sister give? Oh, I'm sorry. Now she has blank coins. So this is the add-in, 251. Oh, I think I did that wrong. I'm sorry. I accidentally confused you on that. This one is not right. Let's try it again. Let's read it again. Anna has blank coins. Her sister gives her some more coins. What's the first number here? 251. So Anna has 251 coins. And I stopped there and I knew I did something wrong because it says her sister gave her some more. That's this unknown add-in. We don't know how many more she gave her, but we know she has 456 coins total. This is 456. And then how many did her sister give her? Go ahead and subtract this problem and solve it now. You can pause the video now. Okay, so we're subtracting. 6 take away 1 is? 5 take away 5 is? 4 take away 2 is? What's your answer? 205 coins. All right, let's keep going. Here you're going to write a story problem that this number sentence could be used to solve. So they give you the number sentence, you're just writing the problem. This is like the ones we have on our morning work. It already gives you the name and the item though. So Jake has 956 blocks. What can we use to say takeaway? Who can raise their hand and help me? Dustin? Okay, his brother took how many? Very good. His brother... Uh-oh. If you have something to say, what happens to your hand? Thank you. Yes, Brenaya?
Or it could be he gives 436 to his brother.
Very. No, he can't give 436 to his... Oh, yeah, he can. Okay. So his brother took 436 blocks. Yeah, you can do it your own way. There's many different ways to do this. So Jake has 965 blocks. His brother took 436 blocks. How many blocks does Jake have now, right? Or how many blocks does Jake have left? So then you have to solve the problem. How many does he have left? So 965. Take away 436. Is what? 5 take away 6. Can you do that? This 6 becomes a 5, and this 5 becomes a 15. Take away 6 is... Sorry. 15 take away 6. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 5 take away 3. 2, and 9 take away 4. 5. 529 blocks. So you're going to have to write that in a complete sentence. 529 blocks. And then you're going to circle that. Dustin, if you have something to say, what happens to your hand? Thank you. And box your answer. So you could have done it a little differently. You could have said Jake has 965 blocks. He gives 436 blocks. Or you could have said he lost 436 blocks. Or you could have said, I don't know, he hid 436 blocks. I don't know. Anything that's taking away those blocks, right? Any of those could have been right. So Jake has 965 blocks. We used his brother took 436 blocks. You can use whatever you want. How many blocks does Jake have left is the question, and then you have to solve it, and your answer is 529 blocks. So you're going to do the same thing here. Drew has some straws. You could say 523 of the straws are, I don't know, red, and 417 of the straws are whatever color you want, black maybe. How many straws does Drew have in all? right? We know it's in all because the number sentences, you're going to do what? Add. So we know the answer is going to be in all. Go ahead and write your own question here. You can write the one I just told you. I'll give you a minute to do that. You can pause the video now. Okay, who wants to share the problem they wrote? What's your word problem? Destin. Okay, so Drew has some straws. Her mom gives her 417 blue straws. Does that make sense? No. Let's try again though. Brenaya. Very good. Who else wants to share theirs? Haney, share yours. What's the question? How? Very good. He said Drew has some straws. Then he said he has 523 blue straws. He has 417 red straws. How many straws does he have altogether or in all? Okay, to solve that, elevator, escalator, and add. 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. How many straws does he have in all? So you're going to write 940 straws. That's after you write the problem. Okay? Okay, moving on. Write a word problem that this number sentence could be used for. So this is pretty easy. You guys are writing word problems for number 3 and 4. 4 is very basic. I'm not really going to do anything for that. You guys are making it up. You're making up the names on number 4 too. So you can use your friends' names if you want, or your siblings' names, or your cat's name. I don't care whose name. Okay? You could say Stacy has 384 stickers. She uses 133 stickers. How many stickers does she have left? Or I don't know, whatever you want. It doesn't have to be stickers, be whatever you want. But you are subtracting these two numbers. It cannot be random numbers from La La Land. Okay? For number 3, it says blank plus 345 equals 752. Lots of deer live in the state park. Okay? You could say there are some brown deers and 345 black deers. How many, there are 752 deers in all. How many deers are brown? Because you're doing something plus 345 equals 752, and then you're going to subtract. Okay? You guys want to do that one together?
Yeah.
Let's take a vote. If you want to do that together, raise your hand. Okay. Lots of deer live in the state park. Okay? There are some brown deers. Okay. There are some brown deers. There are 345 black deer. There are 752 total deers. Or there are 752 deers total. What's the question? What should the question be?
How many brown deers are there?
Very good. How many brown deers are there?
How many brown deers are there?
Yes. Okay, how many brown deer are there? What are we going to do to solve this problem? Subtract or add? We're going to subtract, guys. You have to find the missing problem here. So you're going to have to do the opposite of add, which is subtract. So you're going to subtract 752, take away 345, equals your answer. 2 take away 5, you can't do it. 5 becomes a 4. 2 becomes a 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. 4 take away 4 is 0. And 7 take away 3 is 4. So how many brown deer are there?
407.
So 407 brown deer. I have to write that in a complete sentence. Mm-hmm. Okay, number 5 is pretty simple. Let's look at it together. Solve, write, or draw to explain. Use the number sentence to complete the story problem. If you guys didn't get all of this down, I'll go back to it later, okay? Use the number sentence to complete the story problem. There are blank birds at the lake. Blank birds fly away. Then more birds fly to the lake. How many birds are at the lake now? So there are blank birds at the lake. How many birds do you guys think are at the lake? What's this first number? Very good. 340 birds at the lake. Blank birds fly away. If it's flying away or going away, what do you think the next number will be? 214 birds fly away. We're not going to watch Professor Berger today, by the way. There are 340 birds at the lake. 214 birds fly away. Then more birds fly to the lake. Then how many more birds fly to the lake? What's that number? 245. How many birds are at the lake now? So you're going to solve that. First, you're going to subtract this, and whatever that answer is, you're going to add it to this. You can write the answer here. So whatever the answer is here, you're going to write it in the square, then you're going to write that same answer here, and then you're going to add those, and that's going to be your answer. So the first step, it's a two-step. The first step is to subtract 340 minus 214. And then whatever that equals, you're going to add it to 245. Okay? All right. That's basically all you're going to do today. You're going to do, we're going to do together 356 through 358 is on your own. No, you're not doing the purple page today. You're only doing up to the yellow page, 358. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun learning math. See you later.